Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at the LISEN cantilever bracket phone accessory. Also trying out my new lighting setup. Alright, so we have this cantilever bracket by LISEN. Okay. Press here. The brackets here, it's somewhat in my way and a little bit over the shoulder. So like the view will always be like this. But if I put the bracket here, it's kind of always too close. Like really in the action here. I guess it does allow me to control. So I do like that. I got a feeling it's going to end up right here. So it's going to be on this side. Alright. So those are the parts. Check out these instructions. So unscrew this fixed nut in the back. So, oh, there you go. Tighten the fixed nut. So then I tighten the fixed nut. Wait, what? Undo, and then put the fixed nut on this ball lever, I guess. Ah, okay. That's pretty good. Alright, I like that design. Oh, that is slick. Look at that. You press that button and it comes out. I wonder if it fits my phone. That's been my biggest concern because my phone is such a thick boy. It does fit my phone. I love that. That's everything I needed to know. Very cool. Like that a lot. So I've tightened the fixed nut. Counterclockwise, turn the base bolt into the maximum position. Base bolt into the maximum position. What's the base bolt? Base clamp bolt. So turn it to the maximum position. Okay. Okay. Place. So now I got to pick where I want to put it. Got it. Okay, so this is how we're going to be clamping onto the desk. In my scenario, because I'm going here, I get this stuff out of the way. If this was a good product, I wouldn't need this. Just saying, it's not a good product. So in my scenario, see, that's going to be kind of difficult because I don't have a lot of space back there. I need more space. Let me see if I can bring this up a bit. But even then, I probably should secure this thing to the back of it before I secure this. Okay, just barely enough space. Just barely enough space, but I gotta come in at a weird angle. Now it's supposed to actually come up like this. So because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the back end and then clamp it on. So this, I believe, goes here. Okay, that just tightens it. So I can move, right? I can have it loose, like move around loose, and then when I want to tighten it, I can put some tight on it. That's cool. I can tighten it when I need to. All right. So now it would actually be like this for me, and it would be like this. It would be. I mean, I'd be right in the action, basically, and then at some point, I guess I can bring it in all the way over here. And, okay, yeah, I still think that's the place for it to be. Okay. All right, so now, so that you adjust it in. So this is supposed to also have some type of nut or clamp. Am I missing something here? Okay, I see the adjustment knob. So, depending on the usage scenario, insert the cantilever to either side of the tooth. Ah, I see. So you could put it on here or here is what they meant, right? I hope. Depending on the usage scenario. Ah. I still don't get it, but okay. I think I understand it though. Okay. Oh. Woo! Ah, if you loosen this, this just comes off. This is what's tightening it to it in the first place. Okay, so good to know. Let's get it in there. So now it's mounted. And it goes forward, right? Oops, don't want that. Ah, there you go. Just got to put some pressure on it. And it does move forward. Okay. Okay. These are very workable angles. Yeah, I like it. Good work. All right. And then retreat back here when I'm not using it. I dig it. I dig it. Good job, LISEN. Still don't know what this stuff is for, though. What's this stuff for? Oh, these are wire clamps. Oh, thanks. Oh, I appreciate that. Don't know when I'll need them, but that's cool. Noted. So far, I really like, impressed with it, the price and the build quality.